Hi friend, this is a fun packet you can do with a parent. You can do it by yourself. You're going to just take your pencil or a crayon or marker, and this one says which one is different. So you're going to look at this line, and this is a pear, this is a pumpkin, a pear, a pear, a pear. So which one here is different? That would be the pumpkin. You're going to circle the pumpkin. In this line, we have all sunflowers and a scarecrow. So you're going to circle that one, and then you can do the next line. This is to have fun. In this one, you're just naming all the different shapes. In this one, it says sizes. Point from the smallest to the largest leaf. So here's the smallest, here's the largest. So you're going to put them in order. This one is pronouns. Is it a he, she, or it? So is this a she? Yes. Is this an it? Yes. So keep doing that. Numbers. Count all the pumpkins. So all the pumpkins you see on this page, count them. Name the uppercase letters. Name the fall objects. A rake, a wagon, pumpkins, hay, acorn, scarecrow, sunflower, leaf, tree. Colors. Name the colors of each object. Red, brown, yellow, black, green, gray, white, orange. Have fun with this packet. Bye, friends.